Welcome back to the Digital Health Summit CES Show Floor Live. I'm Laura Mitchell, and I'm with Chris from Humanscale, and he's going to tell us a couple different things that we didn't know about sitting versus standing. So can you tell us a little bit about what Humanscale is?
Sure, thanks Laura. Humanscale has been around for about 34 years, and we're a leader in the ergonomics furniture world. And we've been the only furniture company at CES for the last 2 years. And the reason we've been here is because we're starting to integrate technology into products like our SitStand products and like our task chairs. And we're doing this because we've always been about encouraging activity and movement and health in the workplace, and now we're just leveraging software and sensors to really further that mission.
Okay.
For example, here's one of our products called Quick Stand, and this product can retrofit to any standard height desk and give you the flexibility to sit or stand. Office IQ enabled sensors are on the desk now, and that allows you to understand how much individuals are sitting or standing throughout the day and how much incremental caloric expenditure is associated with that. So as an individual, you get more motivation and encouragement to stand and sit throughout the day. And at the company level, the facilities managers and health and wellness leaders can see in the aggregate the information throughout the entire employee population anonymously and understand how much an investment in SitStand is really making a difference in their workplace and the health of their employees.
So what are some of the benefits of standing versus sitting? I mean, everybody releases some of these studies that say sitting is the new smoking and things like that. But what are some of those ergonomic benefits, as well as maybe if you're more efficient in the workplace?
Well, certainly people like to cite a lot of those studies that say sitting is the new smoking because it's a real popular thing to say.
Yeah.
But it's better to actually alternate postures throughout the day, and that's more healthy. So it's not about sitting all day or standing all day. It's actually that rotation between sitting and standing, or that alternation between sitting and standing. And that helps your posture. It burns more calories when you're standing versus sitting, and also just helps you with more focus and productivity throughout the day. At least that's what we've found through our research and studies. So with Office IQ, not only does it help the individual, but it also at the company level, it helps them understand at a high level what an investment in these types of products can do to make their entire employee population more healthy and potentially lead to minimized risk and potential savings from an insurance perspective.
And so what kind of companies are doing this? Is it people in healthcare, long-term care?
Yeah, it's a great question. So Office IQ, we've actually done pilots with a variety of companies, which include large financial institutions, pharmaceutical companies, and we're announcing a pilot tomorrow with a large health insurance provider.
Yeah, okay.
And that's a really interesting piece in the puzzle because they get to then connect that link between potential savings with organizations from an insurance perspective and an investment in something like a SitStand desk with an Office IQ system attached to it.
Because I could see something like this being really awesome in a skilled nursing facility where those nurses are standing, walking, standing, hardly any sitting. It would be very interesting to take a look at that and see how you could change some patterns around to make sure that they were more ergonomically beneficial for them.
And Office IQ, it's not just about SitStand desk, it's actually about the entire connected office. So we also have chairs we've launched here at CES that have connected casters, so even if you don't have a SitStand desk, you know if people are at those workstations, or for example for conference rooms, it can help you with space planning. So if you have 100 conference rooms and you need to understand what the occupancy is like, we now have products that allow you to easily understand that throughout the day, throughout the year, and better space plan for companies in addition to the health benefits of Office IQ.
Well, thank you very much, Chris. You heard it here first at the CES Digital Health Summit Expo floor. I'm talking to Humanscale. Come and check it out for yourself. Thanks.